All right, we should be live. Let's test all this out. I'm gonna pop open another tab over here. Good. Testing the audio really quick. Open another tab over here. Pausing this one. Should be able to hear herself. Good. Testing the audio really quick. Open another tab. Okay, cool. No audio. Back to that. There we go. All right. Then how can I link this sucker? Share. Copy. Live on YouTube. All right. Okay, so we are going to work on this page and the thank you page of channel. What should I do first? Let's just do the Confetti Cannon first. Okay, so you reserve a username here. And then where do we want to redirect to? I think it should just be like a one-time page. So there could be 3 pages. Okay. So we can do channel page, which is like, this will be gone. Then we can do reserved username and then verified email. So we'll have 3. Make them all the same for now. And it'll be like email verified. Confirmation, username confirmation. Something like that. Maybe. Username confirmation. And what was the other? Email verified. Username confirmation. Oh, why did the... trying to use this eBeats to play a playlist. It's a bit flaky, I think, but I just wanted to play a playlist. Like, why? Shouldn't have to play each song individually, right? That'd be weird. All right, so we're gonna have username confirmation. Go to that controller. Email verified goes to email verified. Controller. I need to turn off the thing as I type. It's gonna be called username confirmation. This is gonna be email verified. Good. Okay, we're gonna open channel controller. Copy this sucker. Put it into here. And call that email verified. Clean it up after, and then we'll do the same thing. Copy and do username confirmation controller. Hello, everyone. If you're here, say hi in the chat. Username confirmation controller. Okay. So there's going to be no... Maybe... Okay, so we're going to come here. The heck is it waiting for? It's a local app. What's wrong? Oh, I didn't import these, so it's probably erroring. There and there. Okay. So we're going to come here, reserve your username. You're going to type in test8@test.com. You're going to hit OK. Then it's going to go to username confirmation. So we're going to update this controller. Hey, Mohammed, how's it going? Can I make that chat bigger somehow? Something like this. Oh no, I'm just gonna leave it. Oh no. Okay, there we go. Okay. So username reservation is gonna redirect to route username confirmation. And I think we should pass the username as a parameter. Maybe not for now. Only if we need to. So that'll go there. Then we'll open up username confirmation. That's not going to be there anymore. This is going to render username confirmation on the Inertia side. And we don't need any of this. No props. For now. If you're there, can you tell me if the audio is okay? If anyone's watching. Okay, on the Inertia side, we need... this will become username confirmation. Verified email. Okay, good. No props. We got rid of those. And then... we don't need this. It's going to clean some of this up. We're not going to show the verified stuff here. We're not going to have their name for now. We'll put that back if we need it. Otherwise, we'll drop all this stuff. Okay, I think we can give this a whirl. So our route should be username confirmation. Hit that in here. Looks like this right now. So we need to somehow, spruce this page up. So it looks like garbage right now. So the first thing we're going to do is add the Confetti Cannon, which we have an issue for. Mohammed, where are you from? Confetti Cannon. Oh. All right, how do we use this sucker? Confetti.create. Morocco. Are you a Laravel dev? All right, this is what we need here. Give that a whirl. We're gonna run hot here. All right, so let's import. Oh, I'm gonna import it, and then we're gonna do in mounted, I think. We'll throw most of that stuff, and we'll do import confetti from confetti. What was it called? Cannon or canvas? Canvas confetti. Okay, a little bit different. And then we're gonna get create a canvas element and put it in our app somewhere. Canvas. Can you do refs in Vue? Oh yeah, okay. Ref equals canvas. And then down here, the canvas will be this.refs.canvas, I think. Canvas. Blah, blah, blah. Let's just see if this works first off. And we're going to make that a const. We're going to just call it confetti. Yeah, I watched. Oh, okay, cool. I think I've only made one Livewire video. I don't use it for anything actually anymore. Or not lately, at least. I need to learn V2 and make some more videos. Everyone seems to like it, though. Confetti. Okay, so that should be it for that. Make sure everything's building. Yep. Oh, there, it worked a little bit. We just need to make it bigger, I guess. All right, this method creates an instance of confetti. Did we use create though? Wait, we did, okay. But you can just do confetti. Okay, I'm gonna just try that. Confetti. So what happens if we just do this? There we go. It's basically what we want. We don't need the canvas. We'll let the package do all that for us. And then what can we tweak here? Speed, angle, particle count. So we've adjusted that to 100. The spread, how far off center the confetti can go. So we're at 160. Let's just make that default. And then decay, gravity. Okay, so we save this, pop it open. Oh, I see. So it didn't go as wide. So we changed the spread. Okay. So spread back to 160. I mean, that's not bad. Boom. Okay, so then I think what we should do is break this into 2 halves. And yeah, we'll put like the username and a thank you on one side and then the emails on the other. So we'll do, this can become a grid. Grid calls to gap 8, something like that. Another div here. And put this guy up here in this left half. And then, can't type today. The channel name, which we don't have yet, but we'll put that there. So we will accept a prop then. Call it channel. It'll be of type string and it'll be required. True, okay. And then we need to pass that along from here. And we can just grab the same thing that we did in the previous controller. Pass that along. Okay, so we have the user's channel name, which they just requested. Channel request. And then we need to just make sure it's part of the URL. So username confirmation, and then we'll say channel, called it. And then when we confirm, whatever, when we confirm, we can put that as a parameter. Call it username. Okay. So now Why did that not work the way I thought it did? Username confirmation channel. Grab channel out of the path. What did I do wrong? Hello, Psychobot. See if Ray's gonna work today. What the heck? What am I doing wrong here? Username confirmation. Username confirmation. Hello, Edwin. Anyone want to tell me why the path path channel is pulling this whole thing instead of just channel? I do like Ray. I've barely used it though. But so far it seems good. What is having a brain fart? I don't know why. Is there a typo? Okay, I don't even like that path anyway, so let's just call it confirm. And then from reservation, confetti, yes. It's pretty straightforward to do too. I'm sure you'll want to tweak it though. So that's gone, so we call it confirm. And it still thinks the whole damn thing is the path. This isn't the right thing, is it? That's why. Duh. Fuck, I can never remember what this one's called. Route. There we go. Okay. So that'll be the channel name, and then we can do username confirmation. We can make it big, like super big. Make it bold. This could probably be bigger too, and not as white. Input. Oh. Man, I wish there was a way that I could put the chat like so it was on the screen I'm looking at, but you guys couldn't see it. Because it's not obvious enough, you know? Okay, what was I gonna do? Gray, like just a light gray. And then we'll margin top that. And then let's see what that looks like. Good. I think the name could be bigger though. So make it really big. Thanks for reserving your channel name. And then on the right side, we'll say like the instructions about confirming. Does that make sense, Jeff? There's a way that you can, oh no, I don't think that works. Oh my God, the logo is like on my face. Why'd nobody tell me? How do I fix that? Hang on 1 second, bear with me. Put this over here. Oh no, okay, it's not. Okay, good. Kind of is, but whatever. All right. I just don't know how to make it like, we still need something more, you know? Is there a way that you can keep the confetti at the bottom? ticks. Like we still need like an image or like a something, you know, to fill this up. Would it be better if this was centered? Probably. And then maybe if this was bigger and like loose. Not that loose, I guess. And then centered. Like something to put here. And on mobile, we should not be doing grid. And here we'll do like margin top 8 MT0. I don't know, maybe that's just good enough. It just on desktop it's too bland. We need something more. What can we put there? An image? Do you want to hop on a call, Jeff? Well, that's a good idea. Prefix this with that. Doesn't look good when it's test either. And then what happens if it's a bit longer? Maybe the single column is a better approach for now. Okay, hang on. I'm gonna need to turn this down. And then what, Slack call? God. It's gonna go through the wrong things. You might want to mute the stream. Okay, it should be okay though. Okay. You can't hear me? It's bad. Okay. Oh yeah, if you're gonna watch my face, it's gonna be fucked up. Yeah. Yep, they can hear you. Talk one more time just to confirm. Oh. Hang on. They can't hear you. I can fix it though. 1 second. Oh no, where'd my Slack? There it is. So I want to route you through this one. Okay, talk again.
Hello, YouTube.
Yeah, okay, good.
This is Jeff. My audio is much worse than Owen's.
Hello, Patrick. Good time to join. Can you hear Jeff?
Hopefully.
You should be able to, I think, now. Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to upgrade my mic situation if we're gonna do this more than once. But we probably should.
Yeah, we should podcast it.
Because I'm just yelling at you in the chat.
Yeah.
Do this. Oh.
Over here.
Sometimes
Look.
I'm yelling misdirections, and it's more fun if I can just yell at you directly. The one thing I was thinking with the @ symbol is maybe we give it just like a slightly different text treatment.
Yep.
Than the rest, like gray it out a little bit, little smaller, and maybe vertical center. I don't know.
Lightly gray. Why did that get rid of it? Oh, I got rid of that itself. Not that small, probably. And more gray. Can you recapitulate what you do, please? Okay, so Jeff and I are working on an app called Channel. You can go to the link in the description. I'm pretty sure I added it there. getchannel.io to see the current work in progress homepage. It is a gated content publishing platform. And our goal is to serve multiple channels, whereas with YouTube or Substack or Medium, they're mostly single focused. And we would like to serve multi-focused mediums so that you can come here and publish a blog or newsletter or video or link up your Discord, etc. Hopefully that answered your question.
I think that was a good description.
Okay, so you can still see the stream, right?
Yeah.
So is this app better, do you think?
I'm waiting for it. Yeah. I think that's a little better.
Could maybe use some space, but we can keep tweaking after.
No, I like it. Maybe make it the same size and just do the
Gray?
same size but gray.
It's like, it's because the symbol is so much. Oh, why is it not aligned though?
Ah, this sucks because I didn't realize that the @ symbol went below the baseline.
I don't know if that's intentional. There is a vertical line that was doing it. Okay, so give it a second and then it'll be better on your side. I think it could be one notch smaller though.
Yeah.
So 6L instead of 5L, 5XL instead of 6. Yeah. There.
Yep, I'm into that.
But yeah, we still need something like, I don't know. It just feels like it's lacking, you know?
Well, yeah, we need graphical elements is the big thing that we need, really.
Yep. And how do we do those? Or what do we do?
We just gotta do them in Figma.
But like, what would it be?
Like the shapes of the radio wave, like that expanding thing. I think we can do something like that.
Okay.
I'm just gonna see what I can hack together in Figma right now.
Okay. Just gonna move this to another paragraph. What did Patrick say? Do you have future plans for a public API? Probably scope creep to consider currently. Definitely scope creep currently.
We do have plans for a mobile app though, so we are that's definitely something possible. Like we will have an API that we're consuming internally at least, but we're also kind of mixing that with Inertia right now, so we'll probably come up with some pretty creative ways to do both of those things at the same time.
Yep. But definitely the goal would not be like developer focused, at least in the beginning. Just trying to appeal to like the wider content creator audience, or I call them niche knowledge workers. People who want to sell information. Okay, so then I'll leave it like this for now and then see what you do in Figma. The other thing I'm doing is just separating this page and then that page that you see after you verify your email. So I figure like this page, we can just tell them to confirm their email. And then the next page would be, hey, here's your link. Go get referrals. You know?
Yeah. What do you think of doing like avatar upload right here? More than we want to do right now?
Probably.
Just gives it like one extra action after signing up.
Yeah. But like, what would it be for?
Well, so that leads me down the path of thinking like, what if we have sort of a public listing of creators who have signed up?
Yep.
But that's kind of a double-edged sword, because if you go there and there's nobody on it, yeah, you're kind of probably unlikely to be the first person to sign up, you know?
Yep. But I mean, we could just not
but
publish it until there are people.
Until there are some people, yeah. And then it would give you a chance to show off like day one users.
Yep. I mean, it wouldn't be that bad.
It's not that much more work.
No. Well, it is, but it's not unachievable.
Yeah. And it's work we're gonna have to do anyways, you know?
One day, yeah.
Yeah.
The stuff like right now, there's no authentication or anything. So like we'd have to make sure you basically only get one chance to do that. You know?
Yeah, it would be like finishing the like
after you verified.
Yeah, then it would be the one more thing that you could do right now.
Yep.
Or yeah, maybe people wouldn't even want to do it though right now.
Yeah, that's the other thing. Is like, what if they don't? What do we do? Need a placeholder or something?
Yeah. Yeah, let's skip it, because then, I mean, you know what? It's probably one of the, we will have to do it pretty early in the app development, but let's not do it. Let's not make it a landing page dependency.
Yeah, we'll have to do it for like profile setup anyways, but that can be after. Okay, so email verified. That's where we're going to send them to the referral page then. And that one's okay. Like, I think there's enough content for that.
On the referral page?
Yeah. Because we say, thanks for confirming your email address. You're logged in. Good to go. And then we can show them their username again. And then we can show them all the referral stuff. Which I've lost now. Where did that stuff go? Put that down here. Username confirmation. Okay. This would be... Patrick says we have an overlapping goal here, so when you get released, we'd love to see if we could help each other, data and discovery wise. Patrick, what are you working on?
Oh, I'm liking where I'm heading with this thing here.
Oh yeah. Channel.
I don't know what is going on with what?
With what?
Oh, just like um trying to select the right color in Figma here, and this has never happened to me before where it's not giving me a color picker, it's just giving me the colors that we've defined in the file. Down there in the bottom right.
Yep. Did you get the color thing figured out?
No, but I just picked from.
Oh, okay.
You know, like little things like that.
Yeah.
That we can just throw in the corner.
Yep. I think that's a good idea.
I mean, yeah, that one looks good already right there. It's pretty much ready to go. I think we can probably kill these old TVs that I drew.
Yeah, I think so. Okay, so then that would look good on this page where it's like confirm Owen. And then it just is gonna go here, I guess. Is there an easy way to crop that?
Oh, like just get the.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can do like a subtraction.
There's also frame. Oh shit, what did I do? Oh, there's my frame. And then if you like frame something, you can export just what's in the frame. I just don't know how it works. Oh, that's too low.
And then drag it out of that frame.
Well, then I should be able to just click on the frame and then hide, if we hide the background. Because we only need the shape itself, right?
But that's not, like if you look at the layer list, you know, like it's in abstract shapes. Will that work?
Yeah,
If
that's
you
how I
export
do.
frame too.
Oh no, I do slices, not frames, sorry. That's how I do my thumbnails. Make a slice, this, and then I put it at the top. And then whenever I export, I just click on the slice, and whatever is visible in the slice gets exported. Even if it's
cool.
not in the same group. But we need to get rid of the white background. Where's that coming from?
I guess that's the. Yeah, turn the fill off. There you go.
Oh, okay. So then if I do slice, and then fix the side, and then export, SVG. Sure.
Oh, that's cool. I didn't know about that feature.
Well, I don't know if it works with SVGs. Let's just see it first. It does, but it has a weird background. Because it sliced the background color, I think. But let's take that away. I think that's it. What's the best way to include that in that Inertia app?
With the.
Like import it?
Yeah, it's with the SVG loader that I added to our Nuxt app.
Do I have to add it for Mix, or is it already built in?
Yeah, you got to add it for Mix.
And then what does it do? Include it in the JS, or does it make a...
So it'll be, yeah, essentially. But it will inline it in certain cases.
Like if it knows.
So there, yeah, because you get a bunch of different ways to import it. You can treat it as a view component, or you can treat it as an inline SVG that will, like, the same way that like a Webpack define plugin would work. You know how it would in the compiled dist, it would do like a search and replace of the strings,
Right.
type thing.
Yep.
And just inline an SVG straight into the component, and you do that by using just a special import statement, like a query string at the end of the
Import.
Yeah.
So what will happen if I don't do that though? If I just like
without?
use it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Like I am right now.
Webpack won't know what to do with that.
It just blows up.
Webpack won't know what to do with that.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense.
Because it ain't a component.
Can I trick it though?
No, because it's gonna be escaped.
Well, how did we do the logo? Oh, it's a template. It's its own view file. Okay. Okay, so I need to add the SVG loader.
Yeah, I'll
Okay, hang on. I got to read what Patrick said. Typed up 3 damn paragraphs here. Granular programming, content discovery primarily in live streaming, but recently choosing to support non-live content. So my monetization goal is to match companies looking to pay for sponsored content to the content creators. That's a good idea. Azure will want someone to stream playing with their image recognition. Yep. Okay, that makes sense. Does this Laravel mix SVG one work?
I usually just use the view-svg- loader. But this probably just has a dependency on that other one.
Probably. It's probably just wrapped up for us.
But it's simple enough to add to the mix config.
Except that it's not there on GitHub anymore. Yeah, okay. So view SVG loader, you said? View 3 too.
Yeah.
Will it work with view 3?
It should, yeah. Yeah, don't use the mix one. Just view SVG loader. I think it should work.
Does not look like it yet.
Dang. I get that comment a lot.
I mean, we can. Oh, this one said view 3. View loader 16. If you're using preview support of view 3. Whatever, I'll just try it and see.
Yeah, I think I have used it in view 3 context, so.
And then how do you add it to mix?
Into mix, I'm just looking that up right now. I've done it on a. I think it will be the same way that you did.
The alias thing?
Yeah, just like, yeah.
Yeah. Hopefully.
I think that's it. Yeah.
Okay, and then the usage is how I used it. Okay, so that's good.
If you want to use it as a component, but you can also inline it with the query string. Depends how you want to position it. In this case, we could probably just use a background image though. Now that we've gone through all the trouble of adding view SVG loader, which we need to do anyways, but.
Yeah, I did not like that. Jeff could come down to volume 10%. Okay. Hello, Sultan. Is that how you say your name? Sultan. Probably butchered that. Yeah, background image makes more sense, anyways, in this case.
Totally.
And I'm gonna move
Thanks
it
for the
back.
heads up, Patrick.
As I tweaked you and on my side. Oh, now we got to write custom CSS, don't we?
Yeah, but just barely. Actually,
Is there a way to do that? I mean, it's the same thing as it's doing like waves BG or something, right?
I think you could probably do it in the Tailwind config. Add a new utility for the background class, but I just prefer to do it here.
Yeah, this is simpler to me.
Yeah.
Oh, oh no, okay, I think it should be okay. Assets, what did I call it? Waves BG. I didn't call it that. I called it waves right. It's on the right side. I don't know if that works. I haven't wrote background image in years.
Oh, I write it so much. This is like the one thing. Well, so I would leave those out. No repeat, bottom right. Leave those out because you can do the positioning with the utility classes.
What's the utilities for those?
I don't know. Do you have? I can't
BG,
remember them off the top of my head.
BG bottom, BG right. That sounds right. Right or
Something
right
like that.
bottom. Okay. Okay.
No, EG no repeat. I don't know.
Yeah, no, that's it. Yeah. Waves BG.
I think it was like BG-B or something. I'll look it up right now.
I mean, this seems it's at background position right bottom.
Yeah,
yeah.
BG-right bottom.
Select that build. Oh, I did not remove the import. Okay. And the only thing you can't control with this though is the color, right?
Yeah, that part's kind of a pain.
That's okay though, for now. What was the color? So I got rid of them.
Oh, you know what would be cool is if in this loader, you could define the fill color for the SVG through query params, like in the background, in the BG declaration in the CSS. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I guess that would just be a good CSS feature.
Just in general, yeah. Why would it?
You can throw the tilde in there for resolution.
In the CSS file?
Yeah. Sultan, we're using Tailwind.
What does the tilde do?
The same, it, like, does the path resolution, well, but maybe not,
I don't think it
because
would know
Webpack will
about.
process that. Well,
Oh,
Webpack is
okay.
processing the CSS just like everything else, right? I don't know why that
Yeah.
doesn't work.
I didn't have it in the right spot. If it, because tilde goes to JS, not to resources.
Oh, I see.
So we got a question. What are we creating? We're creating channel, a gated content platform. That's going to serve multi-mediums. And are we using Tailwind or Bootstrap? We're using Tailwind. Okay, what is this? I thought like the thing that I don't understand though is, oh, maybe it's because it's not getting picked up on the local dev server. So like typically you just have assets above or beside CSS, right? Because then in your public directory it'd be like public assets.
Yeah.
But the mix server has no idea about that, right?
What's the mix config?
The standard one, I think. I don't know how much of a delay there is from what you see.
Yeah, no custom public path or anything.
No. But I can understand that it wouldn't know to serve this file, right? Like how would it know to serve resources assets? Like I don't understand how the hot server works.
Well, because it's compiling that file and it would see the reference to the URL there and know that it needs that file as a dependency. But it can't find it?
No. And it's like localhost 8080 assets waves, and the CSS is localhost 8080 CSS app.css.
It's funny when this stuff sucks and you've literally done it on every single project ever.
Yeah. Laravel mix background image. Process CSS URLs, that's with Sass. Needed to put in public. I wouldn't think, I mean, maybe.
It should put it in public for you though.
Yeah,
It should be part of the dist.
Yeah, it's like
and put into public.
Mix just doesn't know about it.
I'm just looking at the mix docs. Literally done this so many times. I don't know what I'm forgetting here.
Oh, why did my stuff stop? Image. Oh, maybe we just do this.
Here, I'll just shoot you this link here. Yeah, I was just gonna say, just look at the. I don't know if the Laravel has the most up-to-date docs. Yeah, use a relative path.
Yeah, didn't like it though still. I don't know if it's rebuilding when I change the CSS. Oh, there. It does. It just takes forever. And it can't resolve it if you use relative path.
Absolute paths for URLs will always be excluded from URL rewriting. So we definitely want to be using relatives.
By default, Mix and Webpack will find the image and copy it to public, which is what we want. And then it'll rewrite the URL, which is what we want. It's just not finding it.
Is that path correct?
So we're in custom.css. So we're going to upper directory, then into assets, and then wave. No, it's not right. Motherfucker. Okay. Sorry for swearing. Wave right instead of waves right.
My goodness.
Get over there. Let's see. Okay, it's better now. It's happy. It found it, but now it's not showing it. Because it doesn't think. Oh no, it is an SVG, right? No, parse error. The fuck?
Oh, this sucks. What the hell?
What am I doing wrong? Wave right.
I think we give up, dude. I don't know if we can build this platform.
Do I have to like tell it it's an SVG like that silly thing at the top, you know? Doc type thingamajigger?
No, you shouldn't have to do anything. It should work just fine.
Let's make sure the real app doesn't have any background images. Laravel mix background image. Yeah, it's in the right folder. Because now Mix can find it, but now it just doesn't think it's a valid SVG, I guess. Maybe it's not.
Yeah, just paste it into SVG Go and see if it's not a good SVG.
Oh, no, this one. Jesus.
But also, it's not being processed by Mix. It's not showing up in that
The output?
file list. Yeah.
Like it should be here. It'll be a second. before I see it.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
SVG OMG. You can just paste it.
Yeah, it works.
Okay. But also grab the optimized and paste it back in too. Might as well do that while we're here.
Copied, pasted. Don't trust the rebuild, so I'll build it myself. Painful.
This is so painful. Why is this not working?
Still doesn't show, unless it's this, and it's just getting cut off.
Well, no, it's like not even loading it as an SVG. And this is a totally normal thing to do. I've done this on so many apps. Okay, that's our SVG file, that 519 bytes.
Yeah, but it's just like not a valid file. You know?
Yeah, what is it rewriting it to? Is this the fault of the SVG loader?
Should I turn it off? Because like Mix says you don't need it, right?
Well, we will need it like for the icons that we use. But
I can just temporarily just comment it out to see.
yeah, totally.
Is there an advantage to using the SVG loader for icons instead of just pasting them into a view component?
Yes.
And what's that?
Mostly just in that it's easier. It's like we don't have to maintain the view components. And you get the option of like, it's just more versatile because then you can import it as a view component if you want, or you could use it as like an image source if you needed to, or you can inline it. And the inline is the big thing, you know, that means that the SVGs are like being compiled as part of the component template instead of as a separate component. And I think it's smart too, like if it knows that the icon is used in multiple places, then it does some smart stuff there.
Oh, okay. Okay, so yeah, taking out the SVG loader fixed it.
Okay, so that's weird.
But that's okay. We can fix that another time.
Yeah, we'll burn that bridge when we get to it. Now we just need to crop that SVG a little bit.
Hang on. So that's the other thing. Now, how do we make it smaller without changing the file?
That's the problem with background images, is that you lose control over the SVG. Although I think you could do background image size.
Where'd that go?
The problem is that this one doesn't really work in this spot. It works better on the pages where we're going from dark background to the white background.
Yeah, because like it just gets cut off. You need like a full 180 or something. Okay, well, I have to go anyways. I have to go watch Zoe.
Yeah, me too.
So
But,
let's take this out for now, but leave the image.
yeah, but we've proven that the graphical elements are the spice that we need on these pages.
Missing piece, yeah.
It will look cool on the like homepage hero though. We can use that for sure.
That cut off one.
Yeah.
Yeah, like right here. I'll give you a second before it shows up, but yeah, when it goes from black to white.
Or maybe even in the footer. That might be a good one for the footer because it's always going to be on that bottom edge.
Like along the HR.
Like even just behind it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, if we just like even blend it one more shade so that it's like even less contrasty.
Yep.
And going from there.
Makes sense. Okay.
Next time we do this, I feel like we have to have like a tuple or something because the video lag for me is just so crazy.
Yeah. Yep. Okay. Okay, I gotta run.
Cool.
Thanks
for
for
watching, everyone.
Yep. Okay, I'm gonna hang up. See ya. All right, stream gotta go. Thanks for hanging. 7 concurrent viewers. Patrick, there's Jeff's last name. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll work on this more soon. Tune in next time.